is a Walthard cell rest on the serosal surface of a fallopian tube. Walthard cell rests are also referred to as Walthard cell nests, Walthard cell inclusions, and Walthard Islets. Walthard cell rests are benign incidental findings that can occur in women of all ages, and grossly they may be seen as small glistening plaques on the surface of fallopian tubes or ovaries, and should not be misinterpreted as tiny deposits of carcinoma or tuberculosis. As well as being found on the serosal aspects of the ovary or fallopian tube, they may be found in the mesosalpinx and mesovarium. The nests or plaques of cells are composed of transitional epithelium, and they may become cystic and contain eosinophilic secretions. The nuclei are regular with minimal or no mitotic figures. The nuclei have grooves, and the nests of cells have irregular borders and resemble the nests of cells found in Brenner tumours. This is a cross-section of a fallopian tube, and on the serosal surface of the fallopian tube is a plaque of transitional cells, and this is a Walthard rest. And here is a higher power view of the transitional cells in this Walthard rest. Here is another example of a Walthard cell rest, and this is in the mesovarium or the stroma of an ovary, and you can see how irregular the outline of these nests of cells is.